Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to add pretty and aesthetic backgrounds to your lettering. So let's get started. Alright, so first you need a watercolor paper, a few of your favorite watercolors, a masking tape, some tissues and paint brushes of this size. This is of size 12 and this is size 7. Basically, yeah, the size varies with each brand, so you can have a look at the size that I'm using. And a palette. Also I have two pots of water, so one is gonna be clean, one I will use for washing my paintbrush. If you're a person who's a little skeptical about lettering after doing a beautiful background and you're worried that you might ruin it, so I am one such person. And for people who think like this or feel the same, my tip will be to letter your word or quote with a gray brush pen, and then you start working on the background, and once the background is done you can finish your lettering. So this is just a base that you get on where you have the word or the quote placed. Also, if you're gonna do a monoline or simple letters and you're gonna use a Pigma Micron, this is waterproof, so you can letter with this and then work on the background. It's not gonna smudge your work. So but yeah, if you're using water-based brush pens, yeah, you will have to wait for the background to be done and then work over it. But just for a base, yeah, you can use the gray brush pen. So for this tutorial I'm gonna use the Pigma Micron, and I'm gonna letter a quote or a word over it, and then we'll start working on the background. Alright, so this is the word we are going to add background to. You can also choose to complete your background and then letter it, but I am comfortable doing it the opposite way. Alright, so for watermelon I'm gonna pick the red and green color, and for this background that I'm gonna show you, it's more like an ombre of color coming from the top and from the bottom. So on the top I'll be using the red, and on the bottom I'll be using the green. So to create a smooth ombre you need to work really fast while the paper is still wet. So yeah, I have taken both the colors that I want to. So with a clean flat brush I'm gonna dampen the paper. So from the bottom, make sure your letters are dry before you start so that you don't smudge them. You start from the color you want to drop in. So it can be really strong on the top. And then you wash off your brush and gradually bring this color down. And you may want to avoid the puddles. Push the puddles out. Now we're going to add the green color from the bottom. Again, wash it off. With a clean brush, again we are going to swoop the colors in together. Remove the puddles of water out. And yeah, that's it. So now we are going to use a tissue and we are going to dab the place where it has come together. I'm also removing the excess water around the sides. is dried, this is the final look. You can add more accents to embellish this. You can add watermelon seeds around, but yes, you can play around with your creativity. I'm gonna leave it as it is, and this is the final look of the second one, and this is the third one with the avocado colors. So even the sappy green and the dull brown also gives a really pretty look. And if you are getting cripples on your papers like these, I would suggest you to use a 300 GSM watercolor paper. I use a 200 GSM paper and I get these kind of cripples on the paper. I ran out of the 300 GSM paper. This is the 200 one which I currently have, so I thought I'll quickly show the technique using this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do try these techniques out and tag me on my Instagram so that I can see your work. I'll see you guys in the next video of another cool and fun watercolor technique for your lettering, backgrounds, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.